present here. This is Damini.
I'm Shresh. I'm Rohit.
I'm Musica.
Myself Navish.
I am Pradeep.
We are here for our art and creative project of physics, which is on alternating current. Learning objective of this activity is we are learning creativity, we are developing scientific temperament, we are developing teamwork.
Alternating current containing a resistor only. Resistor is a device that opposes the flow of current through it. The phase difference between current and voltage in a purely resistive circuit is zero. Capacitor. As you know that capacitor is a device to store energy. Its SI unit is farad and its main objective are it is used in motor, TVs and etc. And in capacitor DC current is not allowed. The phase difference between capacitor and current is pi by 2.
Inductor is an element in electric circuit which is made up of wounded insulated copper wires, and it opposes the change in current flowing through it. Its SI unit is Henry, and it has phase difference of pi by 2 between voltage and current, and voltage leads the current by pi by 2. Also, it is used in a transformer to change high voltage into low voltage and low voltage into high voltage.
And when the resistor, capacitor and inductor are connected in series, this circuit is known as LCR series circuit. And LCR series circuit is mainly used in old computers, TVs and etc. And the phase difference of LCR is phi. When the resistance of capacitor is greater than the resistance of inductor, then current leads by angle phi. And when the resistance of inductor is greater than the resistance of capacitor, then voltage leads by angle phi.
Thank you very much.